Hello everybody. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Ahara 325RL. Now the RL is going to stand for rear living, and you're going to see that as soon as we walk in on the inside. But I want to take a look at this campsite first. You have two really good size awnings. You have a slide out, you've got your pass-through basement area, dual axle, solid steps underneath the entry door. And if we take a step on the inside, we're gonna check out your kitchen area first. So the first thing that I notice is gonna be this massive kitchen island. You have extensions on either side to extend that prep space area. You have a 4-burner cooktop, microwave, single basin sink, really good size pantry right here with adjustable shelves, coffee bar right next to it. And then as far as your dining space goes, you have a freestanding dinette. You do have a little drawer in here for maybe some card games or some silverware. And then next to that, you're going to find your theater seating. This theater seating does recline. It's directly across from your entertainment center. You have remote storage in the middle as well as cup holders. On the back wall of this visible, you're going to find this couch. Now the couch does fold into a bed. You have storage above, windows surrounding, which we love to see. And then like I said, directly across from your theater seating, it's going to be your entertainment center. You have your smart TV, sound system, fireplace. The cool thing about this fireplace is that it is on a pull-out, so that you have a drawer behind the fireplace. Like I said, you can see the extensions on either side of the kitchen island. You have a 4-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, residential style fridge, just a gorgeous kitchen overall. If we take a step up here to the left, we're going to check out your bathroom. So you have your sink, vanity, really good size shower with your skylight. You have a seat in there as well. Plenty of towel storage, and then your toilets down below. This is going to be a porcelain. This is going to be a porcelain toilet, which is really nice to have. And then at the very front of this visible, you're going to find your main bedroom. This is going to be a king size bed. You have night lights above, windows on either side, storage below the bed. Your wardrobe is really huge in here. Also, it is on a motion censored light, so you can actually see what you're grabbing. Next to that, you're going to find your washer and dryer prep, or just more storage if you don't need washer and dryer. Across from your bed, you find a little bit more cabinetry and another smart TV. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Ahara 325RL. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Like I said, you can see the extensions on either side of the kitchen island. You have a 4-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, residential style fridge,